And they're off. Early lead is taken by Redemption by the Rail, Westerly Wind on the outside, Apo Bell, My Bukas Pa, Woodsy Ribbon, and My Sweet Leonora. And heading for the backstretch, My Bukas Pa in the lead, followed by Redemption in second, and moving up on the outside is Westerly Wind. Running in fourth is Apo Bell and Woodsy Ribbon, My Sweet Leonora. Into the backstretch, My Bukas Pa by half a length, followed by Westerly Wind in second, and Redemption running in third, Apo Bell on the outside, Woodsy Ribbon, and My Sweet Leonora. The mid-back stretch, My Bukas Pa by a length and a half, followed by Westerly Wind in second, Redemption by the Rail, and Apo Bell now moving up on the outside, and Woodsy Ribbon. And the far turn, it's still My Bukas Pa in the lead, followed by Westerly Wind in second, and on the farther outside in third is Apo Bell, Redemption, and Woodsy Ribbon. But it's still My Bukas Pa in the lead. It's My Bukas Pa, Westerly Wind on the outside, and Redemption moving up on the inside, Apo Bell on the outside, and Woodsy Ribbon, My Sweet Leonora. And the top of the stretch, Westerly Wind in the lead, followed by My Bukas Pa by the Rail, Redemption moving up on the farther outside. It's Westerly Wind in the lead, followed by My Bukas Pa by the Rail, and Redemption moving up on the outside. Westerly Wind, followed by Redemption on the outside. My Bukas Pa by the Rail, Westerly Wind and Redemption on the outside. Redemption on the outside and Westerly Wind. Westerly Wind and Redemption on the outside. And finally, another Mayor, Bernard Abalos horse, Redemption.